Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be fitting the Reiger Diffuser to the Ibiza 6F. So the diffuser itself isn't brand new, it's used and that's why it's very dirty, but hopefully we're going to give the car a nice clean after and make it all cleaned up. This is the gloss black version. It's got little holes, but it doesn't mean that they're still not fake. But there's more holes than there were before, so it's got a bit of metal mesh behind it. It's just a bit different. I'm probably not going to ever put a dual exhaust on it now, just because of the way things are. But it will do, and we'll get it on and we'll see. From what I've heard, it's a pain in the arse, because removing under here is very difficult, but we'll see. So hopefully you're going to be able to see, but you're going to need a 20mm Torx bit, and what we're going to do is we're going to undo, oh, hopefully you can see, each and every one of these little bits right the way along. So we'll take them all out first of all, and we'll have a look like around if there's anything else we need to remove. From what I've heard, it's extremely difficult to actually take the stock diffuser off, but we'll see. I'm just going to use a wrench or a ratchet wrench instead, just because we don't really have the space there. We've taken the 5 screws out, they're all underneath. All you need is to get your trusty friend to help.
Yep.
And we're going to slowly peel the whole thing off. It's a bit difficult to really show how to do it, but you kind of just pull it through. Also, the reason I went for the Reiger diffuser is because you may or may not be able to see, I tried to make my own diffuser and weld it in, so you have like slits coming up. It didn't work. So, also TRC are also bringing out a diffuser and a spoiler and a front splitter, but I didn't want to wait for them to get around to doing it, and I've already managed to pick these up for a nice decent price. Hopefully you can see everything, but I'd always recommend a pry tool because it makes things a lot easier. I'm going to start from the bottom, pull the bottom out and then pull the rest out. From the looks of it, it's all just clipped in, looking at the old one, so...
Okay, so quick update. If we can see in the dark here, after all the time trying to pull lots of, we found another bolt we've actually missed. So you got your one, yeah, on both sides. So you got the ones we did do on the bottom, in the middle, each side, but there's one more up the top as well. So don't miss that, like we did. But yeah.
All right, so we'll bring some light down. So you've got one here. Hopefully you can see, like that, and there's also one which can point
this side, just here,
and that's now pulling down much better.
One tip when pulling it down is don't open your mouth like Matt just found out.
Yeah, it's not a nice thing. You winning?
Okay.
Success. Yeah. All right, this should be fine.
Yeah, on. Cool.
Fine. Nice.
Yeah. Easy peasy for now.
Just push down. So you should put it on the clip and then push down.
Yeah, that's just getting it in to get it on the clip.
Just watch the rack if you can.
Yeah.
Bring the camera over. Let's get that going. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. There we go.
Yeah, you go. Sweet.
Woo! Look, you've got space here for another exhaust pipe.
We just removed that bit as well.
No, this is here for a reason.
Yeah?
Yeah. Literally, you can have two. Oh, say it. What have you done? Pry tools and a little bit of brute force does it again.
As always.
So it's just making sure if we lift. Okay, so the easiest way of doing it we probably worked out is get each corner in. So you can see it's in there, and George is on the same. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. Big happiness. Look at that. That sticks out. That's a chunky boy. Hopefully you can see. I did not think it was going to stick out that far. Wow, that looks really nice. And look at the exhausts. They're blacked out.
It's still fake.
Sharp. At least mine's not claiming to be a sports car.
No, because mine is a sports car.
Is it? Nice.
If it isn't a sports car, it's a Grand Tourer. That's about as far as we can get in the discussion on the group chat.
Okay.
What we're supposed to do since it's gone so grey now.
Pardon?
It's gone so great over, whereas what's to say the weather's actually going to do? It's supposed to be good today.
So, you can see, hopefully, it's on, and it sticks out a fair chunk. It completely changes the look of the car, I think. And on a lot easier, and to be fair, it came off very easy once we undid the bolts.
Yeah, once we actually undid all of the bolts.
100%. The only tools you need are pry tools, T10, T20 Torx, and then someone to help, because it makes things a lot easier. But I'm very happy with that. Hopefully we can get a nice clean done to it today, get it all cleaned up, get some photos and stuff. You'll see it on the Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, if you don't follow us already, do it now. Yeah, I mean, enjoying how this is going along. There's not a huge amount that can be done now. As I say, it being dropped, and hopefully someone, maybe TRC, will do a little spoiler extender just on the rear, just to split it up. A bit like the Maxton Design ones, but Maxton Design haven't said they're going to do anything. But Maxton, if you do, let me know, that'd be great. So, extremely happy with how this has turned out. You can buy this for about 180 euros shipped. Because I bought it second hand, I got it at a much better price. Only cost me about, it cost me £240 for this and the springs. So, whichever way you split it, I'm saving money both ways. But I'm not going to complain because this looks stunning. Hopefully we'll get some photos up of it soon, and it just looks a bit chunkier. Thank you all for watching again. If you do want to watch the other videos on the Ibiza, they're going to be just over here. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment. Let us know what you think, if you prefer this or the old one, or you think I should have just got one that completely cut this whole thing out and then had the exhaust coming through. That was the other option. I'm not getting quad exhausts, don't worry. Other than that, have a lovely rest of your day. See you all soon, and thanks again for watching. Bye bye.